Selena, Class 10, Chapter 13, Section and Midpoint Formula. Number 9. The line joining the point A 3 minus 3 10 and B minus 2 6 is divided by point P such that PB upon BA equal to 1 upon 5. Find the coordinates of point P. PB upon BA is 1 upon 5. Therefore, PA will be 4. Let the coordinates of point P are x and y. So, PA upon AB equal to 1:5. Therefore, PB upon PA equal to 1:4. Coordinates of P are 4 minus 2 plus 1 minus 3 upon 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 4 into 6 plus 1 into minus 10 upon 5 equal to 11 upon 5, 14 upon 5. Sum number 10. P is a point on the line joining A 4, 3 and B minus 2, 6 such that 5 AP equal to 2 BP. Find the coordinates of P. 5 AP equal to 2 BP. AP upon BP equal to 2:5. It divides into the ratio 2:5. Therefore, coordinates of point P are 2 into minus 2 plus 5 into 4 upon 2 plus 5. 2 into 6 plus 5 into 3 upon 2 plus 5 equal to 16 upon 7, 27 upon 7. Coordinates of P equal to 16 upon 7, 27 upon 7. Sum number 11. Calculate the ratio in which the line joining the point minus 3 minus 1 and 5 7 is divided by the line x equal to 2. Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. The coordinates of every point on line x equal to 2 will be of type 2y. Using section formula, we have x coordinate x equal to m1 plus into 5 plus m2 into minus 3 upon m1 plus m2. Y coordinate, substitute the value, 2 equal to 5m1 minus 3m2 upon m1 plus m2. Cross multiply 2m1 plus 2m2 equal to 5m1 minus 3m2. 5m2 equal to 3m1. m1 upon m2 equal to 5 upon 3. Thus, the required ratio is 5:3. Y coordinate equal to m1 into 7 plus m2 into minus 1 upon m1 plus m2 equal to 5 into 7 plus 3 into minus 1 upon 5 plus 3 equal to 35 minus 3 upon 8. Y equal to 32 upon 8 equal to 4. Thus, the required coordinates of the point of intersection are 2, 4. Calculate the ratio in which the line joining A 6, 5 and B 4 minus 3 divided by the line y equal to 2. The coordinates of every point on the line y equal to 2 will be of the type x, 2. Using section formula, we have y coordinate equal to m1 into minus 3 plus m2 into 5 upon m1 plus m2. 2 equal to minus 3m1 plus 5m2 upon m1 plus m2. Cross multiply 2m1 plus 2m2 equal to minus 3m1 plus 5m2. 5m1 equal to 3m2. m1 upon m2 equal to 3 upon 5. Thus, the required ratio is 3:5. Sum number 13. The point P minus 4 divides the line segment AB as shown in the figure in the ratio 2:5. Find the coordinates of A and B. Point A lies on x-axis. So the coordinates of point A be x0. Point B lies on y-axis. So the coordinates of point B equal to 0y. P divides AB in the ratio 2:5. Therefore, we have point A x coordinate equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Phi equal to P divides AB in ratio 2:5. Therefore, we have x coordinate of P equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Phi equal to 2 into 0 plus phi into x upon 2 plus phi. Phi equal to phi x upon 7. X equal to 7. Coordinates of point A are 7, 0. Y coordinate of point P equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Substitute the value. Minus 4 equal to 2 into y plus 5 into 0 upon 2 plus 5 equal to 2y upon 7. Minus 2 equal to y upon 7. Y equal to 14. Thus, the coordinates of point B equal to 0, minus 14. Sum number 14. Find the coordinates of point of trisection of the line joining the point minus 30 and 66. Let P and Q be the point of trisection of the line segment joining the point. Let A be minus 30 and B be 66. So, AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Thus, AP is to PB equal to 1:2. Coordinates of point P are 1 into 6 plus 2 into minus 3 upon 1 plus 2. Y coordinate 1 into 6 plus 2 into 0 upon 1 plus 2. 6 minus 6 upon 3, 6 upon 3 equal to 0, 2. Coordinates of point P 0, 2. We have AQ is to QB equal to 2:1. Coordinates of point Q are 2 into 6 plus 1 into minus 3 upon 2 plus 3. Y coordinate 2 into 6 plus 1 into 0 upon 2 plus 1. Q equal to 9 upon 3, 12 upon 3 equal to 3, 4. Coordinates of point Q equal to 3, 4. Sum number 15. Show that the line segment joining the point minus 5, 8 and 10, minus 4 is trisected by coordinate axis. Let P and Q be the point of trisection of the line segment joining the point. Let point A be minus 5, 8 and B be 10, minus 4. So, AP equal to PQ equal to QB. We have AP is to PB. 1:2. Coordinates of point P are 1 into 10 plus 2 into minus 5 upon 1 plus 2. Y coordinate 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into 8 upon 1 plus 2. P equal 10 minus 10 upon 3, 12 upon 3 equal to 0, 4. So, point P lies on y-axis. We have AQ is to QB. 2:1. Coordinates of point Q are 2 into 10 plus 1 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. Y coordinate 2 into minus 4 plus 1 into 8 upon 2 plus 1. Q equal to 20 minus 5 upon 3, 8 minus 8 plus 8 upon 3 equal to 5, 0. So, point Q lies on the x-axis. Hence, the line segment joining the given point AB is trisected by the coordinate axis. Sum number 16. Show that A3 minus 2 is a point of trisection of the line segment joining the point 2, 1 and 5 minus 8. Also find the coordinates of other point of trisection. Let A and B be the point of trisection of the line segment joining the point P equal to 2, 1 and Q equal to 5, 8. So PA equal to AB equal to BQ. PA is to AQ equal to 1:2. Coordinates of point A are 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2, 1 into minus 8 plus 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 2. A equal to 9 by 3 minus 6 by 3 equal to 3 minus 2. Hence, A 3 minus 2 is the point of trisection of PQ. We have PB is to BQ, 2 is to 1. Coordinates of point B are 2 into 5 plus 1 into 2 upon 2 plus 1. Y coordinate 2 into minus 8 plus 1 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. B equal to 10 plus 2 upon 3 minus 16 plus 1 upon 3, which is equals to 4 minus 5. Coordinate of point B equal to 4 minus 5. Sum number 17. If A equal to minus 4, 3 and B equal to 8 minus 6, first part, find the length of AB. AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Distance formula equal to root of 8 plus 4 the whole square plus minus 6 minus 3 the whole square. 12 square 144, 9 minus 9 square 81. 144 plus 81 root of 225 equal to 15 units. Second part, in what ratio is the line joining AB divided by the x-axis? Let P be the point which divides AB on x-axis in the ratio k is to 1. On x-axis, so y coordinate of point P is 0. Y coordinate is minus 6k plus 3 upon k plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 6k plus 3 equal to 0. K equal to half. Therefore, the required ratio is 1:2.